it's 12 o'clock. 12 noon. No, not really 12 noon. 11. And look how dark it is. Dang, it's so dark. It's been raining for Marley. It's been raining for like a week. And my Marley is here inside. I just bathed her inside the house because it's raining outside and it's thundering and she's so scared. And look at my cats. The two of them are just snuggled inside. Cozy and Mama Cat. They're just snuggling inside. I made a makeshift box there for them to hide themselves. Hi, Mama Cat. It's windy, huh? Hello, look at that. Yeah. Hope everybody's safe. And warm today, and it's been like a week of rain, and my Marley has been in the house. Mar, you like the thunder, huh? She's just with me. Yeah, I know. It's so dark, huh? It's so dark. Yeah. So dark. And look who's that for? Look whom I'm watching. Home. Look who I'm watching in YouTube. More. What's her YouTube name? RC Amore. I'm watching your video, Dai. Drive safely. Drive safely in the US. Okay, I have to go and just chillax. It's raining so hard. I hope everybody's safe.